Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition, that are high demand, and they can be used to create high content book, low content books, as well as medium content books. Now keep in mind that we're using 4 Chrome extensions to analyze the profitability data of each of the keywords and to really have a foundation to compare against when we talk about Amazon KDP keywords, so we can provide an overview for you, save you the time and the energy, and that way you'll have a set of Amazon KDP keywords to focus on to create your next best-selling books. So let's get started with the first keyword for the day. And as a quick reminder, if these videos have been helpful to you in any way, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new daily videos that we post on a daily basis, revealing daily profitable Amazon KDP keywords and also helping you with tips and strategies from my own personal experience on how to make passive income online. Now there will be 2 free trials available and linked in the description box below if you would like to take advantage of them. There is a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica, which allows you an all access up to 10 downloads per the trial for 30 days, and also there is a 30-day free trial for Canva Pro, which is my go-to on-site software when it comes to editing, creating, formatting Amazon KDP interiors as well as covers. Now let's head over to the first keyword for the day, and the first keyword for today's video is digital storytelling, a beginner's guide. Now digital storytelling, a beginner's guide, basically a guide that is a comprehensive guide for anyone starting with learning about digital storytelling, and it has a total results of 363, which is below 1000. It has a keyword new score of number 6 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, categorizing this keyword as a nice niche. Now as always, we try to provide you with a combination of a super profitable and quite profitable niches, and in this case this is quite profitable. It's not super profitable because we usually aim for a bestseller rank to be around that 400,000, preferably under 500,000. This one's currently sitting at a bestseller rank of 599,796. 769, my apologies. But why am I offering to you in this case in this video? To provide you with a comprehensive list of keywords to focus on, and keywords that are evergreen, keywords that will bring you consistent sales, and you will be able to create a diverse amount of KDP books on different sorts of topics. So if you just focus on super profitable niches, that way you will miss out on what is on the other side, which is niches with a slightly higher bestseller rank, yet they still have opportunity, and this one has massive opportunity. So it has an average bestseller rank of 599,769. The total results are below 1000, and also the average reviews are 594. The average price is $21.71. So there's a couple of ways to go about this niche. The most important, most common way, if you want to handle this keyword right here, is to simply create a essential guide, a beginner's guide, a comprehensive guide for everything that you need to know about digital storytelling. And I've talked about my my favorite publisher since you know, my early teenage years, as well as into university as well. I just really loved the books by DK Publishing, which were amazing. If you've ever read any of these books, they are literally a comprehensive guide, a beginner's guide, and I really like how they laid out their books as well. So if you're a big fan of writing or entering the high content niches, which are beginner's guide that I've discussed in detail in this channel. So I've discussed a list of beginner's guide keywords that are profitable for the last 10 or so videos on this channel, and a way to go about creating them is to basically condense information, to provide a simple step-by-step, to provide some exercises towards the end as well. And if you want, you can go ahead and have a look at some of the interiors of the books created by DK Publishing company, and you can see exactly what I'm talking about, how they laid out the interior, how specific information are given to the reader in a very interactive, very easy to understand way. There are other elements in there in the pages. There are sections as well broken down beautifully with, you know, for example, some text as well that are included in a small box scattered around the pages. There's images as well, so there's interactivity, there is entertaining. So this is what I want you to aim at creating, not to copy and paste, but to really create that interactive beginner's guide for whatever niche you're creating. So digital storytelling, a beginner's guide, is an amazing keyword to dive into. You could also use this keyword to create a workbook for this, and I've talked previously about the 3-step process for a beginner's guide, which is creating that beginner's guide at high content, creating workbook/activity book, which is part 2, which utilizes that exact same keyword but with the word workbook or activity book in there. And it would be a combination of journal prompts, activities, anything that allows the reader to apply their practical knowledge that they learned in the beginner's guide to apply it in the workbook or activity book. And there will also be a part 3, which would be a logbook or a journal or a planner, anything that allows the reader to monitor and track their progress. So then again, beginner's guide, high content book, which promises exactly what is in the keyword. Then there would be the workbook, which is used to apply the knowledge learned and test out the reader's knowledge learned in the beginner's guide, and allows them to learn a step further. And there would be the logbook as well. And also, this is a great way to create repeated loyal customers, and you would advertise these 3-part books in each of the books. Inside in the interior, under a page called, for example, read more, there would be a screenshot of the 3 books that links them directly to the author's page, or links them directly to the book in this case. So that was the first keyword for today's video. Let's head over to the second keyword, and the second keyword is beginner's guide to natural living. Now, beginner's guide to natural living has a total results of 3,255, and yes, I do hear that is quite high, not too high but quite high. We usually aim for anything with under 2,000. In this case, because this is a quite competitive niche, not too competitive, but it is quite competitive, so there is a chance for us to dive in and sub niche, and this is for you to do if you want to really break through the total results and get it as low as possible. Sub niching is your best strategy. So for example, we could do a beginner's guide to natural living for children, beginner's guide to natural living for teens, for vegans, for seniors, for adults as well. These are all beautiful target audience sub niches that you could create a specific personalized book for these target groups. Also, the average bestseller rank is ideal. It is under 300,000. It is currently averaging 199,838, and the average reviews are a massive 2,097. The average price is $15, which is good to see, and the keyword niche score for this keyword is number 6, categorizing this keyword as a nice niche by Amazon Scout Pro. Now, because of this beautiful data right here, and also a good keyword niche score by Amazon Scout Pro, I'm going to ignore the 0 given by, or the lack of keyword niche score given by titles, and this is exactly why we're having 2 or more Chrome extensions to compare against, and also use our own logic and common sense as well. Quite acceptable total results, and also the average bestseller rank is under 300,000. There is engagement by the readers and the customers, which we can see through the average reviews as well, and the price is quite acceptable. It's something that is worth for us to embark on and consider sub-niching. Consider applying the 3-part series that I've talked about: beginner's guide, workbook, and logbook or planner. Now let's head over to the third and the final keyword for today's video, and it is a beginner's guide to Native American herbal medicine. Now, our keyword is beautiful. It is a long tail keyword that incorporates different elements as well. So you are creating a beginner's guide specifically to herbal medicine, and it is based on the Native American way of applying and using herbal medicine. So you need to focus on herbs specifically native to the area of Native America, or the Native Americans, the cultural herbs as well, and you can easily be able to do your own research and provide a beautiful beginner's guide, essential guide, comprehensive guide for this keyword, and then again 3-part series beginner's guide workbook and logbook. Now let's break through the results here. We have a total results under 1,000 and they're currently sitting at 263, which is ideal. The average bestseller rank is between that 300 to 400,000, which is also good to see, and it's sitting at 379,842. The average reviews are 1,041, which is even larger than the total results, and the price averaging $19.75. Also coming to the keyword niche score, we have Amazon Scout Pro that provides us with a keyword niche score of number 6, which we can rely on, and also beautifully complements this data right here. Total results under 1,000, average bestseller rank under 400,000, and a good amount of reviews and an acceptable price. That will help us to get quite a good royalty as well. And that was the 3 keywords for today's video, and for this sake, because of this beautiful data, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to ignore the lack of keyword niche score given by Titans as well. Now I'm also going to go ahead and contact them because I've been seeing this a couple of times as well, and see what is going on. Is it an error from the Titans extension, or what is their interpretation of that as well? So let's quickly summarize the 3 profitable keywords for today's video, starting with digital storytelling, a beginner's guide with a keyword niche score number 6. The second one is beginner's guide to natural living with a keyword niche score 6, and finally we have a beginner's guide to Native American herbal medicine with a keyword niche score of 6. I wish you all the best. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.